connecting lines to different shapes looks like a bit complex. But in this video, I am going to show you the easiest way to make this animation in After Effects. Watch this video till the end to better understand. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's create a new composition. Name it whatever you want, and you can see my composition settings on my screen. So first, I am going to create some shapes, and for that we can use our shape tools. From here, I simply select the ellipse tool. Make sure fill is turned on and stroke is turned off. Then I'm going to create a circle in this composition and align it to the center. After that, I rename this layer. Also, I'm going to create some more circle shapes into this composition to demonstrate how to connect shapes by lines. I am going to rename each layer one by one, and this part is very important, so do not skip. After that, I am going to change its color label to red to recognize it, and now it's time to create lines. So for that, I select a pen tool. Make sure you turn off the fill option and increase the stroke around 2 pixels, and then I create a straight line from circle to another circle. You can use different kinds of patterns, or you can create multiple lines which are connecting 2 circles together, just like this. And once we've done this job, all you need to do is select all the line layers and change its color label to green to recognize it, and then I place it just below our circle layers. Now, if I select the center circle and move it around so you can see the lines are not following the circle because they are not connected to it. And now we are going to connect those lines to this circle, and for that, I am going to use a default After Effects script. So, to launch the script, go to Window, and under the drop-down menu, you will find a script called Create Nulls From Paths. Simply click on it to launch it so you can see this pop-up panel, and in this panel, you will get 3 different buttons. To use the script, select all the line layers and then search path in the search box. So it will reveal all the path properties of each line layer. Then select each path property one by one, like this, and then all you need to do is click on this button called Points Follow Nulls. Once you click on it, it will generate so many null layers, and each null is connected to vertex points of the lines. Now I'm going to select the color label of all the null layers and place them above the lines layer so we can see them clearly. After that, I close the panel and move our composition panel to the right side so we can see it better. And now it's time to connect null layers to circles. Now pay attention at this point. So this is circle 1, which is the center of this composition, and the layer name of this circle is 1. So first of all, I am going to lock this layer, and then I'm going to select the null layer, which is on top of this circle, to highlight this layer in the timeline. And now we can parent this layer to circle 1, or you can simply use the pick whip tool to connect this layer to layer 1. And now I am finding another null which is also on top of the circle. So this is another null layer which is on top of this circle. So I also parent this layer to layer 1, which is our circle. And I repeat this process until I connect all 4 null layers to our circle. So once I connected all the null layers to this particular circle, and now if I move this circle in this composition so you can see all the lines are connected to this circle. And not only connected, they behave just like a rope or an elastic band. So I hope you understand how you can connect lines to the shape layers. So I'm going to repeat this process with the circles, and then I'll come back to show you how you can enhance this design. So finally, I connected all the lines with different circles, and now we can move any circle into this composition. And now you can animate these circular shapes by using the position properties which you already know. So I won't show you the animation process. Let's move forward and see how to make glowing lines. So I animated our circles in this composition, and you can see the preview of this animation on my screen. Now for creating glowing lines, first I am going to select one of the lines. I'm going to search the gradient ramp effect and add it to this layer. And then I scale it up a bit. Also, I solo this layer so we can focus on this particular line. After that, I search another effect called Colorama and add it to this layer as well. And one thing I always say is that whenever you use the Colorama effect, it will come with pixelated color. So to solve this problem, simply open the output cycles and under it you will find the modify property. Simply open it and uncheck the modifier alpha checkbox. It will remove the pixelated color. Next, you will see a cycle repetition option just below the color wheel. So if I increase it, you can see changes in the line. So you have to increase this cycle repetition value to animate the colors. But first, I am going to unsolo the line layer and then I scroll up the timeline where the animation starts. And then I click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe at this point, and then I move the time indicator forward and increase this cycle repetition value around 60 or 70. So you can see how it will animate, but right now I can see that the color is moving right to left, but I want left to right. So to fix this direction, I go to the Effects Control panel, and here I simply swap colors in the gradient ramp effect. This will fix our problem. Now let me show you how you can customize these colors. Simply go to the Colorama effect, and here you can see the different presets, so you can choose it according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied with your color preset, simply go to the Effects Control panel and copy the Colorama and the Gradient Ramp effect from here and paste it to the other line layers. So this way, it will apply to the other layers. And now if you want to enhance this design a bit, so you can also add a glow effect to these lines to make it more beautiful. And now it looks much better. So that's how you can connect lines with the shape layers in After Effects and also stylize the lines like science fiction movies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.